In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to connect your mobile phone to the Epson L8100 printer, using Wi-Fi Direct and print easily without any cable or router.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions, or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, go to the printer screen and open the Smartphone Connect option. Now click on the Start Setup option and wait for the printer's Wi-Fi Direct to turn on. Now that Wi-Fi Direct is on, to find its name and password, click on the menu option at the top corner of the printer screen. From this section, you can easily view your password, change it if you want, reset it, or even turn off Wi-Fi Direct. Now that the printer's Wi-Fi Direct is ready, we can connect our phone to it. Here you can see that up to 8 devices can be connected to the printer at the same time, which is very convenient. Now take your phone, go to its Wi-Fi settings, and you will see the printer's name. Just enter the correct password to connect. Now select your file and find the print option. It may look slightly different on each phone, but you will definitely find it. And that's how you can easily connect your mobile phone to the Epson EcoTank L8100 printer using Wi-Fi Direct. As you saw, this method allows you to print directly from your phone without any cables or routers, and you can connect up to 8 devices at the same time. Remember, you can view and change the Wi-Fi Direct password, reset it, or turn it off whenever needed. This makes printing from your phone simple, fast, and convenient. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Device Doctor for more professional printer tips and guides. Thank you for watching.